Another useful tool when doing timber work with trails is a cant hook. Now this is a great tool for rolling logs out of the way. You just place it on the side, tap it in, and it gives you the ability to move and position it as you need. Another tool that's very similar is a peavey. The main difference being that the peavey has a point. And again, it's useful for moving timbers around and getting them into position to make different trail structures. And then another one, kind of similar to the mattock, it's called a Pulaski. And this is named for a guy that developed this at the turn of the century who worked in the Forest Service to fight wildfires. And it has an axe head on one side, and then he twisted it, and so there's an axe head on the other side that's turned at a 90-degree angle, and that's good for making cuts if you need to. But as opposed to the mattock, this one is a much better cutting tool for clearing brush. So this is a grub hoe. You can see it's got more of a digging surface, it's got a bit of an edge for cutting, and it's got a longer handle, so it gives you a little more leverage. We've made progress on our trench, but now I'm going to try to scrape it out a little bit more with the grub hoe so we can get it nice and graded the right way so the water is draining away from the tread.